Well, here is the total work process that I follow when I want to add my print-on-demand work in a marketplace. There is no exact model to follow, but this way works the best for me. Here you can see total 6 steps and you need to put importance on each step. In this video, I will show you guys usually how do I check the competition for my niche, is there any traffic or not for that niche, and product research for that. Why it is important for me and why it is also for you. Because if you don't check the competition for your niche properly, then you may be fishing in the sea with a spear. If you don't know exactly is there any traffic or not for that niche, or how much you may get the traffic for your keyword, then you may be fishing in an empty pond. If you do not research product what actually customers are buying, then maybe you can create hardly sellable design. Here is my niche list and there are 1160 niches with sub niches also. There are also all possible hobbies or interests. In here which we can see in around the people now. I will pick a niche from this list and I will check its competition with this tool named March Informer. Here is a tab Competition Checker. This option will tell me how much competitive a keyword or niche. This competition scale is from A to F. A means less competition and F means highest competition. I will talk about this March Informer tool briefly in this video later, but at first let's check some niches competition. So from this list I will randomly pick some niches and I will check the competition. You can check my video description and I shared the link to buy this complete niche list with just $1. This $1 is nothing but a token of appreciation and support for my work. Okay, I'm picking cupcake for a niche and then let's type it in here in keyword cupcake and then hit the search icon. In here you can see I selected US region for this research. Here I can see total score is E, that means it has a great competition. In Amazon there are total 4514 products online, March product, and there is BSR number is 660. So the BSR means best seller ranking, also known as the Amazon sales rank. It's a score that Amazon assigns a specific product based on historical sales data. It fluctuates hourly. So I think this niche is not a good choice as it has a great competition with also a great number of BSR products. So let's go for another niche. Suppose it is bus driver. Let's type in here bus driver and then hit the search icon. Okay, there are 964 products online, but BSR number is also high, 874, and the score is not good, it is F, so definitely I should not go for this niche. I will check for another niche and it is ambulance driver. Okay, let's check it. Ambulance driver. Okay, it seems good. The competition is A, that means less competition. Online products is also 271 with 49 BSR. So I can check further for this niche like traffic check and product checking if the traffic is good or not. So I'm going for next step now. I will check for traffic for this niche, ambulance driver. Actually, are people searching products for this niche or not, and with what relevant keywords are they searching for this niche? I need to know this. There is another thing and that is, please like this video and subscribe my channel if you found my videos are helpful for you guys. I will try my best to help you out guys. Thank you. To check traffic, I'm clicking on keyword finder under keyword research and then in this keyword bar, I need to type or paste my niche or keyword. I selected source as Amazon US and then hitting on search tab and then this data has been shown. This keyword or phrase section will show you with what keywords people are searching for. This is the Amazon traffic number and it's for Google search. So after checking this data and numbers, I'm pretty much sure people are actually searching for this niche in Amazon marketplace. With considering competition and traffic, so it's safe to go with this niche for next step. Before going to next step, I want to talk about March Informer because I found this tool very much helpful for my print on demand business and it's worth of sharing with you guys. Besides competition, traffic check and product research from trending phrases for a specific date, you can find the trending phrases what are actually being searched in Amazon platform. Okay, in here for an example, I'm selecting 8 February and then I'm clicking on search icon, search bar. Let's see what is showing. Okay, these are all the phrases that are being searched on that particular date, 8th February. So I think this is very much helpful for me. Then under tool section, from listing score checker, you can check your listing score, whether it is enough good or not. For an example, I'm checking this product optimization score, copying and pasting ASIN and then typing the main keyword in here. So the optimization score is here. So from this tool you can come to know that if your optimization score is good or not, or where should it be fine-tuned, all you can get. There are also synonym suggest, analytics part, and a great thing, March calendar, from where you can plan for your next campaign. Under product research, you can research for product, other sellers, even you can track trends. Also, you can be updated yourself with Etsy and Pinterest post actually what is going on there. There are a lot of stuffs which are integrated in this tool for your print on demand business, and all you need to explore it by yourself. You can have it with a little monthly subscription, and I'm giving you 20% discount with this code while you are checking it out. Link is in my video description. After checking traffic, then in this step, I will research products. What March products are being sold in Amazon under this niche? From product search option, in keyword tab, I'm pasting my niche and then click on search tab. In here, from lowest price, highest price and average price, this will help me in pricing. Product pricing is also important and you get the idea from here. If I scroll down, I can see there are several designs which are getting sales and best designs under this niche. I need to select some of these and then need to fine-tune the design and then upload those in my store. Before selecting, I will look for sales number by checking their review. Usually the higher review number indicates more sales. In here is their bestseller ranking, and this one established sales means he is getting every day at least one sales in average from this design. If I click on this eye icon, then it will show me more information. First, information about trademark, and I need to check this from Trademarkia or from USPTO for being more confirmed. I have shared the link for both tools in my video description. Then title, features, and description. All red marked words are these designs keywords. Then the most important thing in here is the number of cells. In this purple color line, each dot represents each cell. So then I'm checking for second designs. And really this is getting huge cells. There are lots of dots. So I added this in my favorite list. Then I will look for similar types of cell number. I added at least 5 designs in my favorite list. Here I saw another design which code was with Amazon something like this way. I can okay, here it is. I can scale that design with world's okest ambulance driver. With mixing these two design, I can make like world's most amazing ambulance driver or something like this. You need to make this type of things. Just blending two designs and make a new one. People also want to buy those kind of things, and if it is possible, you need to scale the design as much as possible you can. So after collecting all design idea, I will make some design I'm not showing the design process and I cannot do a good design. If you also cannot do, then you can hire some freelancers from Fiverr with a little money, or you can create some designs with Canva, and it is super easy. Link of Canva has been shared in my video description. When you will have design ready, then it's time to upload. Remember, your product listing should be well optimized in terms of SEO. For that, you need to make a good relevant title, bullet point, and description, as well as tags. I have made great videos for this part on how you can optimize your listing and generate huge sales. For Redbubble, you can check my this video, and for Amazon, this video will describe everything. There are also a lot of advanced things which is not possible for me to describe in here, and it will be a long video. To know more on some advanced strategy and solving your problems, you can book me anytime. I can consult you for 30 minutes or 1 hour. This booking link has been shared in my video description. Please let me know in comment section about your any feedback or question. I will personally reply your every comment. Night out.